Here's what you'll need to make the Cantaritos cocktail. Fresh squozed.
You're such a jerk. Okay. She's making fun of me because I accidentally made up a word, which I've been known to do.
Yes.
And instead of squeezed as the past tense of squeeze, I said squoze, which she thinks is hilarious. And it wasn't supposed to make it into the video. But here we go.
Here we go. You know what it is? It's because he's going first, and it's throwing me off.
You can go take the line, honey.
No. Please, go ahead. All right, let's try this again. Third time's a charm.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Home Happy Hour. I'm Rog.
I'm Val.
At Home Happy Hour.
Today, get ready to transform your home happy hour with a citrusy tequila drink that is going to knock your socks off.
If you love margaritas or palomas, get ready because the Cantaritos is going to blow your mind. This is going to be your summer obsession.
We don't have a lot of history about it, but it is a Mexican cocktail that blends beautiful citrus flavors together. So you've got your grapefruit and your orange and your lemon and your lime. And then, of course, where would it be without tequila?
Tequila!
Right? Because tequila and fruit go together. It's a great drink because it's very refreshing, a little simple syrup, and we top it off with grapefruit soda, which is, again...
When we tested, we tried it without a flavored soda.
We tried it with club soda. Do not recommend it in any way, shape, or form. We used Fresca, but you can use any type of grapefruit soda. So you can use Squirt, you can use Fresca.
Depending on where you are,
right.
You may have Squirt available, Fresca.
Yeah.
If you're outside the United States, I don't have a recommendation for you, but I know that in Mexico they use Squirt.
Yes, they do. That is a huge grapefruit flavored soda. And there's another one they use too, which is, I can't remember off the top of my head. But anyways, so join us today as we make our Cantaritos and we get a little refreshing flavor from Mexico.
Yay! Tequila, simple syrup, Fresca, or Squirt, or some other grapefruit soda, salt, lemons, limes, grapefruit, and orange. Fresh juice is best. Let's prepare the glasses too. I like to rim the glass with Tajin. Tajin is a blend of chili peppers, lime, and sea salt, and I love it on grilled corn with garlic butter, cotija cheese, and lime juice.
In other words, Mexican corn.
Street corn.
Street corn, yeah, Mexican street corn.
Which is why I have it in my kitchen. But now I have a second reason for Cantaritos. Now let's put it all together. Start by adding ice to your shaker and then add all the citrus juice.
Next, pour in a generous shot of tequila. The amount is up to you, but we recommend about 2 ounces.
A pinch of salt to enhance the flavor and soften the sharpness of all the citric acid. Add a bar spoon of simple syrup. You can also use agave nectar.
Shake it with ice to add air into the cocktail. Strain over fresh ice. Finally, top it off with some grapefruit soda to give it that fizzy, refreshing finish.
And there you have it. A Cantarito cocktail.
Cantaritos cocktail, yes. So you can see...
Now you have to decide. You told me not to put the S on the end, and you did.
Well, because there's two of them. That's why. But you can
The word ends in an S.
Okay, we're going to go with Cantaritos. Anyways,
Thank you.
So you can notice that we only did half of the rim. And part of the reason is a lot of times when you get a margarita salted, it's usually the whole rim, either salt or sugar or whatever you get on a thing. But the beauty of this is that if you don't end up not liking this, it's not going to take away from the whole drink. You
Right.
just have this one part.
Right. Which is why I think a lot of people order margaritas without salt.
Right, because it's too, for
Because
me,
it's
it's
too
too
much.
overpowering, yes.
But the drinks with a lot of citrus, like a margarita or a paloma, need a little bit of salt to round it out.
Right.
That's
right,
why we add salt into this recipe.
Right, right.
And the Tajin has some salt, but it's not overly salty.
No, no,
So we still do only half the rim,
exactly.
because then you can decide
What
what
you
is
like.
best for you.
Right. So, on to the taste test.
Salud.
Get the... Good thing I kept my napkin, because I had Tajin all over my face.
It's like summer in a glass.
It is. So, the Tajin is good. I'm okay without it. What I do like about what you do taste with the Tajin is it kind of adds a little more of that lime.
Yeah,
Right.
Tajin has a lime,
Right,
citric acid kick to it.
right. And what it definitely does balance out the flavors of the citrus, because I was talking to somebody about this drink and they were like, isn't that too much citric acid? And I'm like, yeah, but we put salt in it. And they're like, put salt in it. I'm like, yeah, it balances the flavors out. They just couldn't wrap their head around the fact that it had so many citrus flavors in it.
Right. It seems like it'll be overwhelming,
Mm-hmm.
but there's a softness to it because of the salt that's in the recipe.
The salt, the soda, and again, this is one of those drinks you do not taste the tequila.
No.
So,
I mean, it's there,
it's there.
but
So if you're
it's a
somebody,
background player
it's
to the
very
citrus.
background, very
right?
background. I definitely taste the sweetness of the simple syrup.
It needs it though.
Yeah, absolutely. And again, balances out all that citrus. You know, unfortunately, if you're somebody who can't have a lot of citric acids, this is probably not the drink for you. If you're on medications that says you can't have grapefruit, this is not the drink for you. But
Some of us just risk it.
some people do. Some people do, right. But you know what I'm saying. Like, basically,
Right.
pay attention to your
Right, well,
body, right?
Don't drink a pitcher of them.
No. But this is definitely refreshing, and as you can see, like our nice little garnish. We
Just
were
to
gonna
show
try
everybody
to,
all the citrus that's in there.
yeah. So orange, lemon, lime, grapefruit, and it was funny because we were originally going to try to put the citrus across the top, and it wasn't working, so we just dumped it in.
Just throw it in.
But yeah,
Now it's absorbing alcohol, so when you eat that after you finish the cocktail, my favorite part.
right. I think this drink is definitely summer worthy.
If it's warm out,
this is it.
this is
Yeah.
it.
Right.
Like, I actually like this better than a margarita.
Absolutely.
And I love margaritas.
Absolutely. Pretty happy. But yeah, so this is definitely a drink to try. It's one of those things, you probably could even do it as a virgin, right? For people like who don't like tequila, right? All the orange, all the juices, the simple syrup,
you want to
the
make
salt.
a punch bowl for the kids.
Right.
I mean, if you want to go through $30 worth of fruit for the kids.
Right.
I'll crack them a Fresca.
Right, exactly. Here you go. Here you go. And we'll put a little
You're
lime
drinking what
wedge.
Dad's drinking.
Yeah. You're a little lime wedge and everything, right?
We tested this drink multiple times with multiple variations. And this is the recipe that is worth drinking.
Right.
A lot of recipes out there will say you can replace the Fresca with club soda and add extra grapefruit juice. Doesn't work.
Doesn't work. We tried that. But anyways, this is just a really good, really refreshing drink. It brings out the Mexican flavors with the Tajin. This probably would be a really great drink to have with any type of Mexican food. Again, I think it will go with anything. You definitely want to make sure that you do your juicing ahead of time.
Not too far ahead.
No, like
citruses
but if you have...
will oxidize, and you'll lose the essential oils that make the drink really stand out. And so, within an hour.
Thanks for joining us today on Home Happy Hour for our Cantaritos, our beautiful citrus tequila drink with a little Tajin. Try it, comment, subscribe,
like the video,
and then of course, please
watch one of our other videos.
Please watch one of our other videos. And also, if you have any ideas, we're always looking for ideas. If you have a recipe that you think we might want to try.
Listen, it's just beginning to hit summer here.
Yes.
Right? My 17-year-old is about to graduate from high school.
Yep.
And
I can't believe it.
I know. Kid's got to get a job.
I know.
We said to him today, did you apply for work yet? No. We can say this because he is never going to watch this video.
No, exactly. And it's always funny because he's just like, I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
He's a 17-year-old.
He's a 17-year-old. You know best. And I'm thinking, yeah, we do.
Whatever he can say to get out of the conversation, that's exactly what he does.
Exactly. So anyways, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next time on Home Happy Hour. Salud.
Salud.